Hello. I was tagged by Robert's Bushcraft, and the tag was 5 items that you always take into the woods. Now, he wanted to know my 5 items that I always take, and it's pretty simple for me. I take more because I will carry a personal survival kit and a water bottle as well. So I have shelter and water and such covered as well. But the 5 items that I always take no matter what, the first one is my cell phone. This here, I always make sure it's charged, and it is a lifeline to me if I'm ever hurt out there or if I have to get a hold of someone for whatever reason. You can't always count on it, but you can't count on any of your gear 100% of the time. This one will work 90% of the time or 95% of the time or whatever. So this is very important. I bring my cell phone. The next piece I carry is my wallet. My wallet contains identification. If you're found unconscious and such, first thing they do is look for a wallet. It also contains a small survival kit in here. I've got a signaling mirror, I've got a magnifying glass, I've got 2 ferro rods, and I also have a knife within this. Also a little card that has a compass. I can put a link down below and show you what I carry in my wallet as a survival kit. The next on my list would be my survival bush point. Now, a lot of people know this is the knife that I designed, and it's been the ultimate survival knife for me. I've done everything with this, and it's kind of special to me as well because it was my design, and now I have it in my hand and I'm able to use it. So this here, I can build shelters, I can carve what I need to carve, and so on. It's a very good choice for having a one tool option out here. So that there would be my third. And on the other side, I have a Laplander. This is going to help me get firewood. This is going to help me build shelter and so on. A lot of uses. And it can cut some fairly big trees down or limbs if you need to. So very good option. Then lastly is a ferro rod. Now I've got 2 other ferro rods in my wallet, smaller ones. This one here is just a straight ferro rod that I got in one of the kits, but I have lit a lot of fires with this. And this here is strapped right on my knife sheath. So that is my 5 items that I carry. I carry a cell phone, a wallet with a survival kit in it and identification, my survival bush point, Laplander, and a ferro rod. Now what I'm going to do is I'll leave down below in the description a couple people I'll tag. Now, I want to thank Robert's Bushcraft for the tag, and I appreciate it, and go check out his video. I'll put a link in the description. It's a pretty cool video. I was rather impressed. Take care all, and thanks for watching.